Today, we're showing you the top 5 most beautiful tits in the world. Yes, they're birds. Yes, that's really their name. 5. Long-tailed tit. Fluff ball. Stick-tail, basically a flying cotton swab with eyeliner. 100% would cuddle if it didn't fly away in fear. 4. Crested tit. This one woke up and chose style. Spiky mohawk, fancy beard, looks like it owns a bird-sized motorcycle. 3. Azure tit. White and sky blue. It's giving winter wonderland realness. If Elsa had a pet bird, it'd be this one. 2. Great tit. Big, bold, and loud. Like the bird version of someone who claps when the plane lands. We love the confidence though. 1. Blue tit. Small, sassy, and dressed like a highlighter. It's Europe's most fashionable featherball, and it knows it. And yes, they're actually called tits. So go ahead, giggle, follow, and let the bird facts fly.